Alrighty, here we are, independent versus dependent, page 2. And this is using that second part where we had the formula that said two things are independent if the probability of A times the probability of B equals the probability of A and B. So we're going to use that and check to see if they're independent or not. So example 3A, we're given the probability of A is 0.2, the probability of B is 0.6, and the probability of A and B is 0.12. So we just want to see if we multiply these two numbers, does it equal the third number? And 0.2 times 0.6 equals 0.12. These are equal, so the answer is yes, A and B are independent. So B, A is 0.1, B is 0.9, A and B is 0.9. So I'm going to multiply 0.1 times 0.9, which gives me 0.09. That is not equal to 0.9, so no, A and B are not independent. And example 4, we're given that A and B are independent, that the probability of A is twice the probability of B, and the probability of A and B is 0.32. Well, since A and B are independent, we know A times B equals A and B. This sentence here tells us that A equals 2B. So I'm now going to use substitution. I'm going to substitute 2B in for A, so I get 2B times B. And I'm going to substitute 0.32 for A and B. So I now have 2B times B equals 0.32. So this is 2b squared. Divide both sides by 2, and I get b squared equals 0.16. Take the square root of both sides, and b equals 0.4. A is twice b, so if I multiply 2 times 0.4, I find out that A is 0.8. So I know the probability of B, and I know the probability of A, and that's it for page 2.